Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week's PPF tip that I'm going to go over, how to properly use a clay bar. I've seen this in the comments section in our previous videos, so I figured, you know what better time or place to go over this. So I got our slip solution that we use for our paint protection film installs. This is perfect for doing clay bar. So we got a perfectly clean Honda Passport hood over here. This side does not have a lot of contamination on it when I'm feeling it. If I come over here, there's definitely a lot more. I'm not too terribly sure how this is going to work on camera, if it's going to be able to show what we all pick up. But all I'm going to do is just spray my slip solution all over the panel. And then just with the clay bar, I'm just going to go back and forth real quick. Feels kind of gritty. Once it starts to feel nice and smooth, that's when you start to move over. So you want to go nice and quick with your hand. And then as that surface starts to feel clean, then you start moving over. So it's not too terribly bad, this hood. You also want to go back and forth or side to side. You don't want to go in a circular motion. If you pick anything up in a circular motion, all it's going to do is it's going to scratch the paint up really, really good. This hood is basically perfect. Like, there's not a whole lot on here, so I'm not worried about doing potentially damaging any paint. If you were to damage any paint, you would need to take and polish it, obviously. So that's how you use a clay bar. Super simple. You can see some of the stuff that we picked up. A little bit of, I think that's like road tar contamination. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a clay bar, these are going to be on the website pretty soon. Link in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.